And my name is Free Spirit, and I'm part of the Pokanoket tribe.
And this is how you make a corn husk doll.
All right, so you want to take at least 5 pieces of corn husk, okay? 4 for the base and 1 extra just to make extra strips because we used all the resources of the creator. All right, so I have my 4 pieces here. And an extra one for the strips. I'm just gonna make 2 strips like string. Take my 4 corn husks, put them together, tie my 2 strips over the top. Once I have a nice tight knot, maybe even double knotted if you can. Make sure it's nice and tight. Oh. And then you flip it upside down. And there's 4 pieces, so you take 2 and fold them over the knot. Fold them down. Down over the knot. Opposite. 2 on that side, 2 on this side. Then you want to kind of make a head, round it out at the top. Make it look like a little head. Does it look like a head? Alright. Gonna rip 2 more strips. And tie it around. Make the head. Then you want to grab another 2 strips and find the middle. There we go. Find the middle of it. So we're going to put these in between for the arms. Just like that. Okay? Take some more pieces of the extra corn husk. Put them together. And we're going to tie it just underneath the arms. Now it kind of looks like a little apron or a skirt. Then you're going to tie that. Whew. Nice and tight and secure. And there you have it. You have a corn husk doll in the making. Now, some people can use 3 strips and they'll braid it to make a nice arm. You could also cut it into fingers. Cut some fingers. Maybe even for the young boys, if you want to cut it into 2 legs, call it an action figure for the boys, so they don't feel like they're playing with little dolls. Or you can make a nice skirt for the girls. And there you have it. A corn husk doll.